Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Catch it. Woo! Bring it here. Good boy, Harry. Good boy. Now you got to give it me. Okay, no. Come on. Come on. No growling. Good boy. Harry, you got to learn to give the ball back. Quickly, we don't want to go. Quickly, we don't want to go to the water. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Harry, you got to learn to let the ball go. Good boy. That's my boy. Now you got to learn. That's it. Can I have it? Can I have it? Thank you. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You are learning, Harry. We got to show this to John. You got if you don't give the ball, I can't play with you, can I? Bring it here. Bring it here. Harry. Harry, bring it here. Harry. Harry. Stop ignoring me. Harry, bring the ball. Silly dog. Right, we must stop this now because Harry have decided he has had enough. Okay.